Welcome to Mud 4. We are here to share music, learn from different people, and in this week, we are so glad we have with us from Indonesia, and we expect we have Sarita also joined. We have Isabel from Argentina. Nilaya will join, but she has taken a silence for some time. So I don't know whether she will break silence and then come with songs. And we have Radha Srinidhi. Where are you from, Radha Srinidhi?
Singapore, sir.
Singapore, yeah, good. And we have Sharaf from my native Kerala, Naduvil, a small village. He is a music director by himself. And my mathematics teacher from my school is also here. Shandechi, who is my relative, my cousin sister, she is also here.
Oh.
So let us start. Who want to go first? We have to go with Sharaf, or you want Santiana to go first? Whoever can unmute, either Santiana or Sharaf. Sharaf, you want to go first because,
Yes, it's okay.
or Sarita, whoever is ready, who could go.
Yes, sir, I can.
Let us take a simple one first. Sarita, you want your Hindi, you want to go
Yeah.
first, or smaller one?
Yes, a smaller one.
Anybody? I don't mind. Yeah.
Anyone can.
Sharaf is a better choice, sir.
Sharaf ji, yeah. Somebody said somebody's name, yeah. That's how it should go. Yeah. Sharaf,
He is a very accomplished singer.
Somebody suggested.
yeah.
I'm very happy to see it. Suggested my name here. Okay. Okay, let's start. I'm Sharaf with you, an Arabic song. Yes. Okay. This is Arabic song, my own composition, because I used some innovative system in this song. The lyrics in Arabic, but music is the Carnatic and Indian music. That's the difference. Usually the traditional Arabic songs tune is like this. Habibi, 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 This is the Arabic pattern systematic traditional tune. But I used to hear the lyrics, Arabic lyrics and Carnatic music, Carnatic tune. Okay, let's start. I composed in Carnatic raga in Bilahari. Okay, let's go. This is a fire song. Okay. Ya ilahi, ya ilahi, ya mujib al-da'wa, ij'al al-yawm as-sa'ida al-kathir al-baraka. Okay, come with me. Let's start. Ya ilahi, ya ilahi. Yes, also good. Ya ilahi, ya ilahi. Ya ilahi means ya, oh, ilahi, my God, oh my God, oh my God. Ya ilahi, ya ilahi. Ya ilahi, ya ilahi. Okay, good. Ya ilahi, ya ilahi.
Ya ilahi, ya ilahi.
Oh, very good. Oh my God, oh my God. The same meaning. Ya ilahi, ya ilahi. Come, Anusha. Ya ilahi, ya ilahi. Ya Mujib, Ya Ilahi, Ya Ilahi,
Ya
Okay, very nice. Ya Mujib da'awat. The meaning, you answer my prayer. Please respond my prayer. Ya Mujib da'awat.
Ya
Okay. Ya Ilahi, Ya Ilahi, Ya Ilahi, Ya Ilahi. Tempo rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ya Ilahi, Ya Ilahi. Ya Ilahi, Ya Ilahi, Ya Mujib da'awat, Ya Mujib da'awat.
The lyrics I'm not getting.
Okay, guys. اجعل اليوم السعيدا. اجعل اليوم السعيدا. That means please make the day happy. Please make the day happy and a lot of blessing. Okay. اجعل اليوم السعيدا. Right. اجعل.
Can I? Yeah.
Yom means day. Yom as-sa'ida. Okay, right. Ijral yom as-sa'ida.
The lyrics is posted in the chat box. You could see that.
Okay, once again.
Ya
Very nice.
Ya Ilahi, Ya Ilahi, Ya Mujib da'awat.
اجعل اليوم السعيدا.
इजलियो मस्त शहीदा
وكثير البركات.
كثير البركات يا إلهي يا إلهي يا مجيب دعوات اجعل يوم شهيد بعد تأثير البركات
كثير البركات. Okay, once again. يا إلهي يا إلهي
Wonderful.
يا Oh, nice. اجعل اليوم السعيدا.
يوم استقيدا
وكثير البركات.
وكثير البركات وكثير البركات يا إلهي يا إلهي
Okay. اجعل اليوم السعيدا وكثير البركات. Okay.
Yeah. Now who want to go independent and then see whether you can sing this? La ilahi.
I'll do it.
Yeah.
I'll do it.
Yeah.
Let me see the lyrics. Right. Ya ilahi, ya ilahi, ya mujibata, ikhalyo masahida, wa kasiran barata. Ya ilahi, ya ilahi.
Yeah, good. Next who want to go?
Yeah.
Okay.
Next who want to go? Unmute, others can unmute. Yeah, Santiana want to try.
Right.
Yeah, try.
Ya ilahi, ya mujibada hafa, ijahau sahila, wakasi al-baraka.
Sharaf, happy?
Is it correct?
Okay. Okay, good.
Good.
I'm very happy.
Anusha want to try?
Ya ilahi, ya
Good. Isabel want to try? Isabel want to try? Try.
Ya ilahi, ya ilahi, ya uni, ya la, ya yonsie sahera, wakasi bakar, barakan.
Yeah, Sarita can try.
No, sir.
Try.
Good. Nice.
Yeah. Yeah. Now from Tanzania, Eli Kimaro has joined. Welcome. Namaste. Namaste from India. Yeah. Our format is just now you heard Sharaf was singing the song and making others to learn. It's only 2 lines or 4 lines. So, okay. So this is how I thought Sharaf can go first because Sarita is also new, Santiana is also new, and Kimaro is also new. So you know the format, how it happens. Yes? Yeah. Now Santiana can go or Sarita can go?
Okay,
Yeah.
so I try to sing my song.
Yeah. First sing and then
Right.
make it line by line. I will post the lyrics on chat. You could sing once before that. Yeah. Continue.
Right. It is an Indonesian song, which is very familiar from the famous artist. So I try to deliver it to you. I do hope you will enjoy with this song. Right. The title is Cinta. Cinta means love. Right. And the verse, bergetar hatiku. It means my heart is tremble. You can try. Bergetar hatiku. Can you hear my part? Bergetar hatiku. Bergetar hatiku. Ah, yes, that's right. Bergetar hatiku. Okay, I will go on to the second line. Right. Saat ku berkenalan dengannya, saat ku berkenalan dengannya, saat ku berkenalan dengannya. Yeah, that's right. Right. I will what's that? Repeat in the first line. Right. Bergetar hatiku. Right. All together. Yeah, that's right. Bergetar hatiku. Saat ku berkenalan dengannya. Right. I will finish the first verse, so we can repeat for the first line. Right. Bergetar hatiku saat ku berkenalan dengannya. Ku dengar dia menyebutkan nama dirinya. Right. All together. Bergetar hatiku saat ku berkenalan dengannya. Yes, that's right. Ku dengar dia menyebutkan nama dirinya. Okay. Yes, that's right. Okay. Right, I will repeat from the beginning. All together.
Yes.
Bergetar hatiku saat berkenalan dengannya. Yes, that's right. Ku dengar dia. Yes, that's right. Menyebutkan nama dirinya. Yes, that's right. Okay. Right. We will try to sing that song all together, yeah. At the first line and then till the fourth line. Right. 1, 2, 3. Bergetar hatiku saat ku yes, saat ku berkenalan dengannya.
Why can't you sing the whole thing once and then show us your real song? All of us can mute. You sing the whole thing at a stretch once, then take line by line. Yeah, that will give the tempo. Yeah, all others can mute.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. Bergetar hatiku saat ku berkenalan dengannya. Ku dengar dia menyebutkan nama dirinya. That is the first line, the first part, the first verse, and the second and the third, it is the same, written, but then the different lyrics. So you can try to learn at the first verse, and then the second and the third will you got it. Okay. As you know, I should sing a lot of songs.
Yeah, maybe the whole thing you can sing once and then make others to learn the first para at least.
All right. Okay. So because it is I sing the three verse, so I sing the first, and then I will sing the second one. Sejak ku bertemu Ku telah jatuh hati padanya. Di dalam hati telah menjelma cinta, dan bawalah daku selalu dalam mimpimu. Di langkahmu serta hidupmu, genggamlah daku kini jua nanti, harapan di hatiku, bawalah diriku selamanya. That is the whole song.
Yeah. Now you start line by line. You could, yeah.
Right. You can follow me at the first line. 1, 2, 3. Bergetar hatiku. Okay. Saat ku berkenalan dengannya. Ku dengar dia menyebutkan nama dirinya. Alright, very good. Sejak ku bertemu, ku telah jatuh hati padanya. That's right. Di dalam hati telah menjelma cinta. Dan bawalah daku selalu dalam mimpimu. Di langkahmu serta hidupmu, genggamlah daku kini juga nanti, harapan di hatiku. Yes, that's right. Bawalah diriku selamanya. Okay, very good. Right. Who wants to try to sing that song?
We have some Hindi words like Hati, Gangama. Then we have Chinta. Love is really Chinta.
So this song as its title is Cinta, it means love. So
Yeah, Chinta means worry
yes.
in Hindi. So Chinta, worry, love, same.
That's quite hard for you. Maybe next time I will.
It's
try.
not
Then
sweet.
we have Harappan also there. Ganga Maya is there. Ganga Mala.
But-
Then Harappa.
Yeah, maybe one paragraph. Maybe you could make others to sing along with
Alright.
you. Yeah.
Okay, only the verse, yeah, the first paragraph.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Berdebar hatiku, ku dengar dia menyebutkan nama dirinya, menyebutkan nama dirinya. Yes, that's right. Okay. Maybe we repeat again at the first paragraph.
Yeah.
Right. 1, 2, 3. Bergetar hatiku,
Bergetar hatiku
saat ku berkenalan dengannya.
saat ku berkenalan dengannya.
Ku dengar dia
Ku dengar dia
menyebutkan nama dirinya.
menyebutkan nama dirinya.
Yes. Okay. Want to try to sing the first paragraph?
Saatku berkenalan.
Bergetar hatiku
Hatiku
saat berkenalan dengannya. Right, very good. Dengan dia menyebutkan nama dirinya. Yes, that's right.
Yeah, now Santiana can pick up somebody and ask them to sing. You are seeing who is singing, right?
Okay.
You can give examination and you can give marks.
All right. So, okay.
Isabel,
You
yeah.
want to try? No. Maybe Sarita, do you want to try?
No.
Yeah.
It's quite tough for me.
Okay.
Sharaf.
You want to try?
Sharaf.
No.
Sharaf can do. Others can mute. Sharaf can go.
No.
Sharaf.
Okay.
Sharaf can go. Sharaf.
Sure.
Others can mute.
No. I will say it's very hard to get the lyrics. It's very hard.
Yeah, Santiana will help.
Okay.
I'll just try the tune.
Yeah.
Okay. Ku dengar dia menyebutkan nama dirimu. Menyebutkan nama dirinya.
Gita.
Dirinya.
Gandhi bhai.
Okay.
Gandhi bhai, try.
Okay.
Gandhi bhai can unmute and try.
This is the one.
Saat ku berkenalan dengannya.
Saatku berkenalan. I'm not getting. I'm not getting.
Okay. But it is quite hard because a little bit in this song.
Mutmanna.
I will just let the slow song.
Muttumaina is there. Muttumaina is there. Your colleague is there. Santiana is here because of Dr. Muttumania. Unmute, unmute. Muttumana is there.
Good evening from Indonesia.
Yeah, she is the real ambassador of music.
Yeah.
Maybe Muttumana can sing for all of us. Same thing. Yeah, Santiana, make your colleague to sing, no? She's also from Indonesia.
I can catch your voice because it's very
Echoing, yeah.
Yes.
I think Muttumaya is there. She can also sing. You can ask her to repeat it after you.
The same song is
Yes, same song, 2 lines, yeah.
You can do it, Bunda. Doctor.
let me let me try.
Yeah.
Just a little bit forget about the lyric, but try to remember.
That is there in chat box. I posted the lyrics in chat box.
Wait to see the chat box.
You could sing Santiana, you could prompt once and then help her, no?
Right. Just a little bit. Bergetar hatiku saat ku berkenalan dengannya.
Ku dengar dia.
Dengar dia
Menyebutkan nama dirinya.
Kimaro can sing. Kimaro can sing. Louder, Kimaro. Louder. Yeah, try. Kimaro is from Tanzania.
All right.
Yes.
Go ahead.
Unte hatiku. Ku dengar dia menyebutnya nama dia.
Yes. Good. Great.
Yeah, anybody else want to try? Geeta, Anu, Sarita, Rajesh. Why Rajesh is silent today? He's a good singer. Shuchita is there.
Yes.
Yeah, that's it. Go ahead.
It's very good. A good voice. You can continue. Saat ku berkenalan dengannya. Ku dengar dia menyebutkan nama dirinya.
Very nice, but it's quite tough for me.
No, maybe we will suggest Santiana to pick up some slower one, easier one, and then come back again next week. And then Santiana will also learn a few more songs. So who want to go next? Yeah. Sarita?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I want to sing a song by Rafi.
No, sing a song. You must teach others.
Sir, I only sing a song. Shall I
Yeah.
start?
Yes.
तुम मुझे यूं भुला ना पाओ संग तुम भी गुनगुनाओगे, हाँ तुम मुझे यूं भुला न पाओगे, हाँ तुम मुझे यूं। वो बहारें, वो चांदनी रातें हमने की थी जो प्यार की बातें, और सहारा लिया था बाहों का, उन सहारों में मुझको पाओगे, हाँ तुम मुझे यूं भुला न पाओ। That's it. Thank you.
Yeah, it's a very famous song. So I'm sure at least 2 lines we should make others to learn. At least others who are not Indians, no, Kimaro and then Santiana can learn. That's great. Yeah. Others can also help. Make others to learn. Yeah. Sarita, make others to learn at least 2 lines. Yeah.
Somebody has to sing.
Yeah, Sarita,
Somebody has to start.
continue. Sarita, teach. Yeah.
तुम मुझे यूं
भुला
न पाओगे,
तुम मुझे भुला
न पाओगे।
So they all are expert. David knows more than me. Wow. Wow.
Superb.
Yeah.
Lovely voice.
कभी भी सुनोगे गीत,
I think better than us, you can start singing it. You can learn Hindi.
संग संग तुम भी गुनगुनाओगे, तुम मुझे
Which one?
Yeah.
Let's continue. Yeah.
Gandhiji, try.
I'm telling her it's very apt for the situation here that she'll never be able to forget us when she remembers this song. तुम हमें यूं भुला ना पाओगे. You'll never be able to forget us. So whenever you sing this song, you'll remember us. That's what she's wanting to tell you.
Yeah. So you sing. You continue.
Yeah, sir, please.
I think Rajesh sir should sing. He is a better singer. Sir, you sing once. Then she'll understand.
तुम मुझे यूं भुला न पाओगे, तुम मुझे यूं भुला न पाओगे। Next line.
जब कभी सुनोगे
There's some problem with the earphone.
संग
कभी भी
सुनोगे,
जब कभी भी सुनोगे,
संग भी गुनगुनाओगे, हाँ तुम मुझे
Let us say that line, जब कभी भी. Eva say जब कभी भी.
Yeah, Gandhiji.
Yeah, yeah.
Gandhiji sing once. Yeah.
Sarita, can you repeat that? Jab kabhi
सुनोगे गीत संग संग भी गुनगुनाओगे. तो you say जब कभी भी.
Yeah, that's
Whenever.
you singing. You sung very well.
Oh, sir. जब कभी भी you say Eva. जब कभी भी
सुनोगे गीत मेरे
wonderful Suchita.
संग संग तुम ये गुनगुनाओगे. हाँ तुम मुझे यूं
We have Indrapal ji from Muscat. Indrapal ji sing.
Thank you, sir. Give me opportunity.
We don't require permission. You should just volunteer and then sing.
Thank you, sir. मुझे यूं बुला न पाओगे. हाँ तुम मुझे यूं बुला न पाओगे. जब कभी भी सुनोगे गीत मेरे. संग संग तुम भी गुनगुनाओ. सुनाओगे.
Yes, sir, please. Next,
Actually, both female and male, both voice, the song is there.
Yeah, it's a duet. Yeah.
It's a yeah.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, Sarita.
Good. Kimaro want to try. Kimaro,
Okay, sir.
try 2 lines. Somebody will help.
संग संग तुम एक गुनगुनाओगे. हाँ तुझे बुला न पाओगे. हाँ तुझे next line I forgot.
It's okay.
Santiana can try. Now Santiana can sing. Why try? She will sing straight. Yeah.
Try.
Yeah.
Shall I try? तुम मुझे यूं बुलाओगे. तुम मुझे यूं बुला न पाओगे. हाँ तुम मुझे यूं जब कभी भी सुनोगे गीत. Again you sing, then I will follow you.
जब कभी भी
सुनोगे गीत मेरे. जब कभी भी सुनोगे गीत मेरे. संग 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 तुम भी गुनगुनाओगे. हाँ तुम मुझे यूं भुला न पाओगे. तुम मुझे यूं भुला न पाओगे.
very nice.
After that
वो बहारी वो चांदनी रातें.
ओ बहारे ओ चांदनी रातें.
हमने की थी जो प्यार की बातें.
हमने की थी
सहारा लिया था बाहों का,
और सहारा लिया था। उसके बाद लिरिक्स नहीं है, नो लिरिक्स।
लिरिक्स
उन सहारों में मुझको पाओगे, हाँ तुम मुझे
भुला न पाओगे, हाँ तुम मुझे यूं भुला न पाओगे।
Yeah, Santiana, try. Santiana, try.
Right. तुम मुझे भुला न पाओगे, तुम मुझे भुला न पाओगे। जब I don't know.
जब कभी भी
जब कभी भी
सुनोगे गीत
गान की सुनोगे गीत मेरे,
संग संग तुम
संग संग तुम
भी
गुनगुनाओगे हम,
हाँ तुम मुझे
हाँ तुम मुझे
भुला न
पाओगे, तुम मुझे मुझे I don't know.
Wow,
तुम
lovely.
thank you.
Yeah, Kimaro, you have chance now. Try.
Anyone else?
तुम मुझे यूं भुला न
Wonderful. You are trying very well.
Yeah.
Good enough. Now let us go to Kimaro's music. Kimaro is going to teach us.
Okay, sir. Can you allow to share my screen for a moment?
You just sing. I will post that lyrics onto the chat box. Yeah.
Okay.
Or you could post in case you want.
I will sing before, then I can teach.
Yeah.
This is the A. Bez can sing. Yota yenye nuru wamba wangu kiongozi wangu mkononi Bate wa uzima tumaini langu ndiwe Bwanangu. This is Swahili language, is East African language. Now can try to go for line by line. First of all, lining is nyota yenye nuru. That is the line 1.
Nyota yenye nuru.
Line 2. Mwamba wa nguvu.
Mwamba wa nguvu.
Nyota yenye nuru.
Nyota yenye nuru.
Mwamba wa nguvu.
Mwamba wa nguvu.
Kiongozi wangu.
Kiongozi wangu.
Kiongozi wangu. Nyota yenye nuru.
Nyota yenye nuru.
Nyota yenye nuru.
Nyota yenye nuru.
Mwamba wangu.
Mwamba wangu.
Kiongozi wangu. Fimbo mkononi.
Fimbo mkononi.
Mkate wa uzima. Mkate wa uzima.
Mkate wa uzima.
Chem ya neema.
Chem ya neema.
Chem ya neema.
Chem ya neema.
Tumaini langu. Tumaini langu. Tumaini ndiwe Bwanangu. Nyota yenye nuru.
Nyota yenye nuru.
Mwamba wangu.
Mwamba wangu.
Kiongozi wangu.
Kiongozi wangu.
Bimbo mkononi.
mkononi,
Mkate wa uzima.
mkate wa uzima,
Chemchem ya neema.
chemchem ya neema,
Tumaini langu. Ndiwe Bwanangu. Ndiwe Relax. Swahili language is a soft language. So relax. It's a soft language. Swahili is a soft language. So relax.
Good.
Who can try?
Santiana can try.
Right. Nyota yenye nuru, wambe wangu kuu, kiongozi wangu, fimbo mkononi. Fala aí. Kate wa uzima, chemchem ya neema, tumaini langu, ndiwe
Nangu.
tumaini langu, ndiwe wangu kangu.
Another one. Who can try?
Gita, try Gita.
Nyota yenye nuru.
nyota yenye nuru,
Mwamba wa.
then please sing with me.
Mwamba wa. Nyota yenye nuru. Mwamba wa.
Nyota yenye nuru, mwamba wa mamba wa nguvu, mamba wana nguvu, kiongozi wangu,
Fimbo mkononi. Fimbo.
kiongozi wangu,
Fimbo
fimbo
mkononi.
fimbo mononi,
Kononi. Fimbo.
fimbo kononi,
Fimbo mkononi.
fimbo kononi, kate wa uzima,
Uzima.
chemchem ya neema, chemchem ya neema,
Tumaini.
tumaini langu, tumaini langu,
Ndiwe.
diwe
Wanangu.
diwe wanangu,
Gandhiji,
tumaini.
Gandhiji, go ahead.
Yes.
Nyota
yenye nuru, mwamba wangu, kiongozi wangu, fimbo mkononi.
Timbang kono ni. Ate wow. Timbang kono. Timbang kono. Ate wow. Ate wow.
Uzima. Cem yani ma.
Chem chem.
Cem.
What the meaning of chem chem?
Yani ma. Cem spring water. Nkate means bready. Fountain of bread. Bready. Nkate bready. Fimbo stick. Fountain of bread, na?
Tumaini
Sharaf.
Tumaini.
Suchita. Anusha.
Diwe bwanangu.
My lord, Bwanangu means my lord, my master.
Indrapalji is not there. Sharaf, Rajesh. Good. Oh, Geeta ji. Gandhiji, you want to teach your song? We missed the last 2 weeks.
I forgot the song.
Geeta ma'am.
Okay. हाँ. কি সুন্দর আহা কি আনন্দময় ଏହି ବିଶାଳ ସଂସାର ଧନ୍ୟ ମହାପ୍ରଭୁ ମହିମା ତୁମର ଅଟେ ଅନନ୍ତ ପାର ଅଟେ ଅନନ୍ତ ପାର কি সুন্দর আহা কি আনন্দময় কি সুন্দর আহা that means how beautiful the world is ki sundara ki anandamaya how blissful anandamaya ki anandamaya ki sundara आनंदमय यही विशाल संसार that means this whole world की सुंदर की आनंदमय यही विशाल संसार यही विशाल संसार धन्य संसार यही विशाल संसार धन्य महाप्रभु महिमा तुमर महिमा तुमर महिमा तुमर अटे 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 अनंत पार अटे अनंत पार Again, अट्टे अनंत अपार. Okay?
Yeah.
Again, from the beginning again. अपार की सुंदर आहा की सुंदर आहा की सुंदर आहा की सुंदर की आनंदमय एही एही विशाल संसार एही विशाल संसार एही विशाल संसार धन्य महाप्रभु ओ लॉर्ड प्रभु महिमा तुमार महिमा तुमार तुम्हारा मीन्स योर. हाँ, धन्य महाप्रभु महिमा तुमार धन्य महिमा तुमार महिमा तुमार अटे अनंत पार की सुंदर आहा की की आनंदमय एही विशाल संसार एही विशाल संसार धन्य महाप्रभु महिमा तुमार अटे अनंत पार अटे अनंत पार We'll try ना. Sarab ji can try.
Yes. Okay, I'll try. I love this song. Because this is basically raga based, Sindhu Bhairavi. I think the Sindhu Bhairavi raga. This song composed by the Sindhu Bhairavi raga. कि सुंदर आहा कि आनंदमय
यही
कि
यही विशाल संसार
यही विशाल
संसार धन्य महाप्रभु महिमा महाप्रभु महिमा तुम्हारा
महिमा तुम्हारा
अनंत अपार अपार
अति अनंत
अपार अटे अनंत अपार
अति अनंत
Mr. Eli, can you try this? कि सुंदर RA कि सुंदर yes कि सुंदर आहा कि सुंदर सुंदर कि सुंदर ब्यूटीफुल SS की सुंदर की सुंदर आहा की आनंदमय की आनंदमय एही विशाल विशाल अल्लाह संसार वर्ल्ड धन्य प्रभु मीन्स लॉर्ड ग्रेट लॉर्ड
महिमा तुम्हारो
वेरी गुड
अपार
वेरी गुड अटे अनंत अपार ओके वेरी गुड एक्सलेंट गांधी जी कैन यू ट्राई दिस
Yes, sir.
yes
कि सुंदर आहा कि आनंदमय एही विशाल संसार धन्य महाप्रभु महिमा तुम्हारा अटे आनंद अपार अटे अनंत अपार ओके मैम
ओके वेरी गुड संसार धन्य महाप्रभु महिमा तुमर अटे सुचिता जी you sing it me okay कि सुंदर आहा कि आनंदमय एही विशाल संसार धन्य महाप्रभु महिमा तुमर
महिमा तुम्हारा
অটে অনন্ত পার অটে অনন্ত পার
Indrapal ji, I'm seeing his message. Rajesh,
Anu sir?
Indrapal.
Anu
Yeah,
sir?
Anusha want to try?
कि सुंदर आया कि आनंद माया एहि विशाल
ଏହି ବିଶାଳ ସଂସାର
एहि विशाल
ବିଶାଳ ସଂସାର
एहि
Sing with me.
विशाल
ବିଶାଳ ସଂସାର
एहि विशाल संसार
ଧନ୍ୟ ମହାପ୍ରଭୁ ଧନ୍ୟ ମହାପ୍ରଭୁ ଧନ୍ୟ
धन्य
ମହାପ୍ରଭୁ ମହିମା ତୁମର
महिमा तुम्हारा
ଅଟେ 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 ଅନନ୍ତ ଅପାର ଅଟେ ଅନନ୍ତ ପାର ଅଟେ ଅନନ୍ତ ପାର
Haridas ji,
very good very good
Haridas ji, go ahead.
यही सुंदर आहा
କି ସୁନ୍ଦର କି
की
ସୁନ୍ଦର ଆହା
की सुंदर आहा किया आनंद माया यही विशाल संसार धन्य महाप्रभु महिमा तुम्हारो आदि अनंतो अपारो
ପାର
ठीक अच्छे
ଠିକ ଠିକ ଅଛି
ठीक ଅଛି.
केटे के जानिछि
ଓହୋ you are also Oriya?
no I was in Orissa
Okay.
He is from Kerala, staying in Karnataka. He was in Orissa.
Okay.
नमस्ते
Good, good. So, Kimaro, how do you like it?
It's very nice.
Kimaro does
I
lot
like
of
it.
agriculture also. He does lot of social service in, right?
Yes.
And Tanzania, especially Africa, is full of dance and music.
Yes.
They don't have anything without the music and dance.
Yes.
Agriculture is also music. Every festival is dance and music, right? Yeah, our Nilaya silence is out. You can speak without unmute. So mute when you are in silence.
Oh, that's okay. That's okay. I had a problem.
Okay. We had wonderful different songs. You want to add anything? Nilaya want to add?
Yes.
Nilaya learned so well.
Nilaya is in Brazil.
My phone got back to
She
my
learned Rajasthani.
I don't know. people can sing the French song.
Yeah, you try. Yeah, you teach. I'll post the lyrics. Yeah.
So, okay. So let me get out because it's too loud inside.
Din din dong.
Okay.
Nilaya's din din dong. Din din dong.
So this is a French. Oh, that is the French lullaby.
Yeah.
In general, it's a funny lullaby because it's for kids to go to bed, but then it's to awake. But it's a French song that I learned when I was a kid. So it goes like that. Frère Jacques, dormez-vous, dormez-vous, dans les matines, ding, ding, dong, ding, 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 dong. Did you get it? Yeah. Hey, Gita.
Repeat 2-3 times. Repeat 2-3 times.
Okay, I will read again. Okay, so again. Frère Jacques, Frère Jacques,
Dormez-vous, dormez-vous,
donnez le matin,
les matines,
donnez le matin. Okay, yeah, it's good. Just the bass. Let's try to keep the bass like that because it's to make kids to go to bed. Sonne is like sound,
Okay.
song. It's the
It's
bell.
a-
It's like Frère Jacques is the priest. Father Jack, are you sleeping? But the bells are
But-
ringing. So,
No, Frage means brother, no matter.
brother, yeah, Brother Jacques. Like, it's like father. When we call frère, it's fathers, brothers. It's confusing, but that's right. Okay. So let's go again. Brother Jacques, Brother Jacques.
Dormez-vous, les matines,
Le matin, dans le matin,
ding, ding, dong, ding, dong.
you know what? If somebody starts two lines, the first two lines, then somebody starts again, it becomes very beautiful. This is like a canon. Like, who is the man? I go with the man, and then the girls go after. Okay. After the second time we do, you start the first of the beginning. So let's try. Frère Jacques, Frère Jacques, ding ding dong, ding dong, Does anybody wants to sing along? Is there a brave one? Okay.
Please, you sing one more time.
Okay, I sing one more time. Okay. Jacques, frère Jacques, frère Jacques, dormez-vous, dormez-vous, sonnez-les, ding ding dong, ding ding dong, frère Jacques, frère Jacques, dormez-vous, That's beautiful. It sounded really beautiful. Oh, that's beautiful.
Fairy daggers, fairy daggers, dormez bus, sonele Martin, sonele Martins,
Ding,
ding 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 dong, ding ding dong dong.
Ding, ding, dong. That's beautiful.
Kimaro,
Did you have fun?
Kimaro, try.
So hopefully later I will see the video, the YouTube from the class, and then I will sing along with those beautiful songs. So you see, it goes like this. It's very beautiful. If many people can sing, but not at the same time, just intertwining. Oh, very nice, Isabel. That's beautiful. Yeah.
Good
That's
enough?
beautiful. That's very
Beautiful. It
Very
was good. So we had today Indonesia, Africa, French, Hindi, Oriya. That's it. Nice.
So maybe
And
for
we
next-
had Arabic from
maybe
Sharaf.
for- Arabic. Oh,
Arabic,
that's-
yeah, Arabic from Sharaf.
Yeah, I'll try to. Maybe we'll have a Japanese for next.
Yeah. Good.
That would be nice.
Great going. We'll
Okay.
call it a day.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Nileya. You could also make it. So thank you, Kimaro. We will work on different aspects together.
Thank you so much.
We'll see you soon, Isabel.
So I see you tomorrow, Professor.
Tomorrow Bhagavad Gita.
Bye.
Yeah.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow 7:30.
Tomorrow. See you
7:30.
tomorrow.
Yeah. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
I see Shita.
Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. Love y'all.
Love you all.
Bye,
Love you all.
bye,
Love you all.
Bye, bye.
Bye, Isabel. Bye, everybody.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.